Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to Shauna's Vale channel. So today we're going shopping. I want to bring you guys along with us. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today I'm the one vlogging for a short time. Yeah, Shauna is here laughing. So today we're going shopping. There's not so much going on in our town in Flensburg, but we just show you guys around what's going on and what we're shopping, and then we'll bring you guys along. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're new in this channel, please subscribe to Shauna's Vale channel and click the notification bell button so that anytime she upload or we upload, you will get notified. So Shauna, do you want to say anything?
Hi.
I will hand over to to Shauna now. Anyway, we're about to leave now. We're going with bus. Yeah, we're going with bus. We're waiting. Maybe in 5 minutes time the bus will come, and then we're still in the house anyway. So we're going to be putting on our shoes. We're already dressed. This is how we're looking. So Shauna is on her tablet. So we're about to go, so come with us as we go. So guys, our bus is here. We're already in the bus heading to the city, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the store. We'll go for our shopping. Anyway, we're not buying so much today. It's just few things for the house. We were tired of staying inside the house, so we just decided to just go out today and take a look at what is going on in the city, and then buy some few things for the house. That's it. Not so much. Yeah. So we'll see you guys when we get there.
See you guys.
We move. Mother and daughter together. So
I was a long time not here again.
yeah, I know. That's why I'm bringing you out today. Because you are like in the prison. Before you come out and say, where are we? Mom, where are we? You don't know anywhere again because you stay so much inside the house already. So it's good to come and take fresh air.
I think I was the last time I was here in summer.
You guys, you should go and check my Instagram handle.
Yeah, her name is sandras.africankitchen. So you're gonna write it here.
Yeah. So you go there and then you can see what we offer and order your food. They sell African food, precisely Nigerian food, any types of Nigerian food.
My mom is the best cook in the whole world.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you order through DM, you DM us what you want.
You need to buy my mom's food. It's so yummy.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So I have another, so I'm going to buy the things and prepare against tomorrow.
It's just literally glitter, so come on. What? Oh, yeah. Wait, Mom, wait. So I'm buying a present for my best friend's mother because she has a birthday. So let me just take nail polish.
Nail polish?
So
Okay.
much color. I think
She
red.
likes nail polish. Does she
Yeah.
like nail polish?
Yeah. I think it's fitting her.
Okay.
So I take this one. Wait, Mom. I wanted an eyeliner.
For her as well?
No, for me.
I have eyeliner for you.
You don't have
I
eyeliner.
have eyeliner
No.
for you.
No, you don't
Yes,
have
yeah.
it. Here.
Touching.
Here what?
You say you have some headbands. This is like.
Here.
Oh, is it because you don't have? Oh, no, use that. Could you add that tomorrow? No, we do have all this plastic thing.
So guys, now we finished with buying our things, but now we're going to another shop, and yeah, so this is what my mom bought, and me also. And yeah, so now we're going here.
So Ria has to buy some meat,
Yeah.
I guess, yeah. So guys, write in the comment section how you guys coping in this situation. For me, it's terrible.
Yeah.
Terrible
for me too.
situation. Locked up in the
Oh,
house,
Mom.
no work, new lifestyle. The new normal.
No.
They call it the new normal, but for me it's not normal. God should just take away this. So now let us go back to our normal life. I'm tired.
Yeah, me too.
Terrible situation. I'm just buying food, eating, doing nothing.
So guys, so this is the shop.
This is what we're coming to.
Yeah.
It's a big shop.
Yeah, it's a very big shop.
And they sell everything.
So
Everything you want. Housewares, electronics, food,
yeah.
everything. Oh,
Everything.
come on, they have
Wait,
baskets here.
wait.
They don't have-
Mom, maybe I can find
Yes,
the
you
thing.
have everything already.
No, I didn't have it. I need to check.
So not
So
always
here-
need something. Always need something.
Yeah, but this is for my school,
I
Mom.
know. And you always need something. You want to show that to
Yeah, I'm looking for a book stand.
a book stand?
Well, because I'm always using like 3 books to learn, and I need to like always write something.
Okay,
from
then
them.
check if you have it. You have it.
So, okay, I think I'm gonna look now. So. It's a very big shop. They have everything. They have
Everything.
luggage. They have food. They have
Toys.
meat. They have toys. Yeah. They have flowers. Yeah, I wanted to say that they even have electronics.
Electronics.
Shop by the
Housewares.
yeah, also clothes.
So I always like to come shopping here
And
because
food
anything I
stuff.
want to see.
Yeah, and
And
food
meat.
stuff.
They have fresh meat.
Yeah.
I'm only here for the meats.
So yeah, that
She
here.
calls me foodie because I love food. I love good food. Not just food, but good food. And she calls me foodie. Let me try. Sometimes we have it. Guys, I'm buying shake.
Yeah.
Guys, ask me what is shake.
I didn't know. So this is our.
I want to make fried rice. This is shrine liver. I want that. Shrine liver. Okay, this one, winda liver. Okay. I want it for fried rice. I hope you will tell me you don't want it.
I don't want it.
It's very very yummy.
Ooh, I don't like liver. Mom.
It's very yummy. You will like it. I will cook it the way you will like it. Don't worry. Trust your mom. Eat. Oh, okay, guys. So we'll see you guys later. Since I didn't find baskets, I didn't take trolley, so
Yeah.
we have to use hand to pack them. So we'll see you guys later.
Yeah. Look at my mom. She thinks she's in Africa. Okay.
I don't care. I can't find any baskets, and my hands are killing me. So what do I do? Nothing. Kids are looking at me.
Okay. Mom, you're supposed to remove your other hand.
So guys, I just finished shopping from Aldi. Yeah. How many shops did we go to today? Like 3 shops. So this is the final one. After here, we're going to the house. And here is Shauna. Shauna's failed. Hungry and eating chicken nuggets. So we're just waiting for her to finish eating my chicken nuggets, and then we'll go and catch our bus. Actually, the bus is, I'm sure the bus is there right now. It's coming 17. And now it's 17, something like 16 or 17. So we're not going to meet up. So, hi guys. Good morning. Let me remove this. How are you all doing? Yeah. Happy Sunday to everyone. Let me just go to the kitchen. So guys, I didn't end the vlog on Saturday. So because the battery went down. I was vlogging with my phone. So the battery went down. So today I want to end the video. So I hope you guys are doing fine. So I'm now in the kitchen. I want to cook something. I want to make fried rice. I already make meal prep everything. Yes, carrots, everything chopped, onions. The meat I'm going to bring out now, liver and some other meat, chicken and beef. So you guys know that I sell food online, so please go and check me out on my Instagram handle. My name is sandras.africankitchen. So you guys should follow me, and please follow me, and you like my page, you like my food, and make order for those around. So please follow my daughter's channel. Sure.
Our channel.
Yeah, please follow our channel. Yeah, she said it's not her channel. Yeah, so please follow our channel, subscribe to our channel, and like the video, share the video to your friends, to your family, to everyone. Yeah, and click the notification bell, so anytime she upload, you guys will get, yeah, you get the notification. So I just want to say bye for now, until next time that I will be vlogging. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye.